Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I've been using TeraBox application in order to store my files and photos, but recently it stopped uploading and wouldn't even sync properly. So if you are facing the same issue, here are two different ways that you can use in order to fix TeraBox fast. First of all, we need to check for TeraBox permissions. For that, you just have to simply come out of your TeraBox mobile application. Then you need to just long press on its icon, then tap on the option of this app info or I, and then you will be landed in the app info of TeraBox. Now over here you need to scroll down and tap on the option of app permissions. Now in app permissions, you need to make sure that storage, photo and media and camera are allowed. Here, as you can see that in allowed, I don't have any permissions. So you need to tap on camera, your notifications, your other settings one by one, and you need to simply tap on the allow while using the application option. Now without the right permission, TeraBox can't function properly even if the application itself is fine. Now if the issue still persists in your account after giving all of the permissions to the TeraBox application, you can try this second method, in which you just have to simply reset your network setting if upload or the downloads are stuck. For that, first of all, you just have to simply open the settings of your device, and here in your settings you just have to simply search for system. So you need to use the search bar in the top and search for system. Now once you are able to find system, you just have to simply tap on that, and here you will see the reset option. You can even directly search for the reset option, and here you will see reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth option. So simply tap on this option and reset your Wi-Fi or your mobile data or your Bluetooth, whichever option you are using. So this is going to clear out all the old or the broken network connections that could be blocking TeraBox from syncing. After resetting, you just have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi and open your TeraBox again. In many cases, you will see the app back to normal. So if this video helped you out, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more easy tech solutions. Thanks for watching.